Hey, this is Mrs. Thomas. I wanted to thank you for letting me be here with you today. I wanted to talk to you about who I am. I am your new librarian. I have been in the classroom for 17 years, and this is my first year as the librarian. I enjoy the outdoors, watching my boys play sports, spending time with my family, and reading. Some things I want to talk to you about. The first thing is partners. I want to make a difference in the learning outcomes of students, but I can't do this without partners. So I'll be partnering with teachers because they are the experts in their field. And I want to partner with them so that we can work together to cover learning objectives to their fullest extent. This will increase students' reading and their test scores. I'll also be partnering with parents in the community. There are so many members of the community that can bring a wealth of knowledge to our students with the different backgrounds and knowledge that parents have. So I would definitely want to be doing that. Just know that I will be familiar with the different learning objectives for each grade level. That way I can help plan lessons and help teachers reach those learning outcomes. The other thing I want to bring to students are experiences. So I will be developing different experiences for them, experiences that they might not experience anywhere else. This will enhance their learning outcomes. So it'll be learning experiences based on whatever TEK that we need to be covering. I'll be developing lessons that are specific to their grade level TEK. And these will be lessons that are a mixture of just in-person hands-on and also things that they can do on their laptop. So there's things that I can develop and they can go to on their laptop, and it'll be a specific experience for them. The other thing I want to talk to you guys about are you, the parents. So I would love to have lots of parent involvement as much as possible because I will be doing things like STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. I'll be doing STEM lessons with the students. I want to bring in special readers like you. I want to be doing some book clubs with the students, and so there's things that you guys could help us with the book clubs. Book fairs are big, big, big. I will definitely be needing lots of parents to come and help with that. And then tech clubs, just like I said, you guys have some expertise to bring to us that can definitely help the students in tech clubs. I hope to have lots of parent involvement with that. And then the other thing I wanted to tell you is I'm going to be having parent learning nights. So nights when parents can come up and learn about specific programs that might help the parent, help the student, and just might be something that you're just interested in that you might not, necessarily be helping your child with, but you would just be interested in. Teachers. One thing I want to talk to you about is that I'm going to be collaborating greatly with teachers and talking to them about how we can work together to cover their learning objectives, because I want to be a resource for teachers. When they have a specific objective to cover, I want them to start getting comfortable coming to me and saying, hey, what do you have for this? I want to teach technology professional development for teachers. So there's lots of things that as a librarian that I'm learning and that I know about that's technology related that could really help teachers reach their learning outcomes for students. So I want to definitely bring that for teachers. And then I want to share some instructional duties with teachers to help them reach their learning outcomes, that this will take some pressure off them so that I can help them cover those learning objectives. Programs that I want to bring that I'm super passionate about are book clubs, STEM, which I told you before, science, technology, engineering, and math. I want to do STEM lessons, hopefully weekly or bi-weekly with students. Book tastings, that's where you just give them a little taste of what the book's about and then hopefully get them to read that book. And then family game nights, super important to get families together up here. And then family STEM night, science, technology, engineering, and math. We'll be having a night where they can just come and learn some of the science, technology, engineering, and math with their parents. And then my role as an educator is to be a partner, a collaborator, and also a teacher. So I consider myself a teacher librarian, and this means that I can instruct students over particular objectives all by myself or with another teacher by partnering with them or co-teaching with them. I will do all of these things after collaborating with the teacher because I want to be a help to the teacher, not hinder the teacher in any way. I also hope to be planning with the groups of teachers, like a grade level at a time, to figure out what is best for me to help students reach their learning objective and help the teacher. So these are just some references that I used to find some things that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Thank you for letting me meet with you. I look forward to partnering with you all year long.